All right, we are in Buffalo Grove, and we've got an office building here. It's kind of gloomy out today, but luckily elevators are generally an inside thing, so that's not much of an issue. I like this carving on the wall, this artwork, that's pretty neat. A typewriter, you don't see those often. This is a really nice building, actually. What do we have here? These look nice. Something custom, maybe. Oh, these are nice. They're Series 1. These are nice. They have the custom calls on every floor, too. I like these a lot. These are some really nice Series 1s, honestly. There's a button that says reset. Wonder what that's for. Free door. Really nice. Anyway, that will be